Exhibit A. The skin is looking silky and luminous, and then we're going to put the foundation on and it's just going to be bada bing bada boom. Okay, I'm feeling like the Sahara Desert. Yes, orange, get in the eye. Eyeshadow palette, I'm not really feeling it. Was it necessary for me? I don't think so. Onto the bronzer. I feel like, listen, I need a summer dress. I need to be walking down Cannes or Monaco or something like that, because I feel like a real bronze goddess. I feel like I'm on holiday. I can't remember the price tag, so I don't know if it's really worth the price tag, but it's a very good brush, and I really didn't have high hopes for that brush. I'm not gonna lie, like, I didn't have high hopes. I'm glad that I got tan, because I was gonna go a shade darker, but I really feel like that would have really given me a real tan, so glad that I stuck to that shade. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about this look. Yes, I've been testing out a few new products from Charlotte Tilbury, including their new bronzer and desert eyeshadow palette and Exhibit A. But before we continue with that video, if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I am Tonique Campbell and I do videos on makeup, skincare and fashion, and I'm here to test out premium products and give you advice before you buy them. So like, with that all being said, what are you waiting for? Oh, you subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, we're about to get the skin looking airbrushed and flawless, and the first thing that I'm going to use is the Hollywood Flawless filter, and I use the color 6 in dark tan. I just love when products do what it says in the name. It literally does give you an Hollywood Flawless filter. The skin is looking silky and luminous, and then we're going to put the foundation on and it's just going to be bada bing bada boom. I'm just placing a few strokes on my face, my forehead, my nose, and then I'm just going to take 1.5 pumps of this foundation and just blend that into the skin. Okay, and then I'm now going to set that with the Charlotte Tilbury's Genius Magic Power, and my color is 3 Tan Dark. I absolutely love this powder. I think it's divine. It just really helps for setting the face. Okay, I'm now going to take the Desert palette, and again, I think the name speaks for itself. It is a range of earthly brown deserty tones. So I'm just going to take the first shade, which is the priming shade, which is kind of like a beige tone, and I'm just going to place that all over my eye. This is going to serve as a kind of base or priming shade. Now that's absolutely lovely. That's kind of almost skin tight. So now I'm going to go in with the second shade, which is more of a burnt orange color, and that is to enhance the eye. Okay, I'm feeling like the Sahara Desert. Yes, orange, get in the eye. Anyway, I'm now going in with the third eyeshadow, which is a deep chocolate color, and I'm just going to smoke out the eye. Okay, and now I'm going to use the fourth eyeshadow color from this palette, which is a little bit of a lighter brown, and I'm going to define the eye. Okay, I just want to clean up my under eye and illuminate my eye area. So I'm using the Magic Away Liquid Concealer in number 10. If I could just open it. Oh my god, why is it so hard to open? What the hell? And I just love the fact that you can just click it and away we go. And I'm just using a blending sponge just to blend that all in. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of my magic powder and I'm just going to place that underneath the eye to set that concealer. Okay, and finally what you guys have been wanting to see, this is the Airbrush bronzer, and my shade is in 3 Tan. This is absolutely beautiful. I didn't actually realize how big it is. I'm gonna place the price below because I can't actually remember what the price is. I think it was like 30 or 40 pounds, but this is definitely worth the price because it's massive. Like, there's so much of it. And presenting the airbrush, which I kind of like these kind of style of brushes because you can then measure how much volume you actually want to give. I don't know if it was necessary to buy the brush as well, but I'm just gonna apply some of the bronzer onto my face because I'm like, do you really need to buy the brush, or can you use any other brush? So I'm just going to apply it just to the corners of my face, and I'm just going to apply it and contour first. Ooh, it does come in handy. Yes, I love the fact that you can make it a little bit more defined when you're kind of bronzing up the jawline, and then I bring it kind of back down to full length across my cheeks. I'm then just going to use my Glowgasm face palette. I literally use this kind of pretty much every day. I'm just going to mix the two colors together, the gold and the rose, just to give a bit of highlight on my face. Okay, now moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Legendary Lashes Volume 2. This is probably one of my best mascaras. I literally ran through 2 of them, and I literally just apply it to my lashes. And voila, look at them eyelashes. I literally forgot how much I love this mascara. Like, it just makes me feel like I'm wearing falsies, and I'm not. On to the lip, I'm going to use Pillow Talk, and for my liner I'm using Locked Up in Baby You Are Bad from Sleek Makeup. I normally use that or the MAC lip pencil in Hover, but I don't know where that is, so I'm using this, and this is a great dupe. Like, if there is one thing that I would say high street wise that I do love is the Sleek Locked Up super precise lip liners. These are worth every penny. Not that the pennies are that much, but they're worth it. So just gonna line my lip. And then go in with Pillow Talk in the middle. Okay, I changed my mind and I wanted more of a glossy dark nude lip, so I just literally put the lip Lustre, I think that's what it's called, in Candy Darling, over the top just to give it a bit of gloss. And yeah guys, this is the final look. Honestly, so my thoughts, the eyeshadow palette, I'm not really feeling it. I don't know, because if it's just like a range of deep desert tones, and I love those tones, I feel that they're so complementary to my skin color. However, I do have palettes that have those eyeshadow shades already, so I don't feel like I would actually go out of my way to purchase it. But what I love about Charlotte Tilbury is all her eyeshadow palettes, I have quite a few, and they're all highly pigmented, and as you can see, like, the eyeshadow looks great. Well, that's what I think. But was it necessary for me? I don't think so. On to the bronzer. I feel like, listen, I need a summer dress. I need to be walking down Cannes or Monaco or something like that, because I feel like a real bronze goddess. I feel like I'm on holiday and I've got this natural glow. I didn't think the brush was worth a purchase, but I love the fact that you can move it up and down and make it more precise in certain areas. I feel like the hairs on the brush are really compact, so it really buffs up when you place that bronzer on your skin. I can't remember the price tag, so I don't know if it's really worth the price tag, but it's a very good brush, and I really didn't have high hopes for that brush. I'm not gonna lie, like, I didn't have high hopes, but it's definitely worth it. And I love the bronzer. I'm glad that I got tan, because I was gonna go a shade darker, but I really feel like that would have really given me a real tan, so glad that I stuck to that shade. But yeah, that's all my thoughts. If you like this video and this look, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'd be happy to share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links to where you can purchase these products from, but I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what guys? Bougie.